Hi, this is Eric and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about forecasting analysis in Power BI. So we use forecasting to predict the future. And let's get back to work and see how that works. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new page, add a line graph. And now let's say forecasting based on, so I'm gonna put like a line graph. This is a line chart. So I'll say, what do I have hierarchy here? So I can use here, and I'll go ahead and use maybe total revenue. So the very first thing, if you, let's say you put two charts here, and the way you go, if you go to the way we do forecasting, we go to this analysis tool. Here you can see add further analysis, and you scroll the way down, you will see that forecasting. I made this mistake, but whenever you have more than one line, forecasting doesn't work. It has to be one line. That's the first thing you have to know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check out maybe cost, and I'll just be analyzing the revenue. And the moment I did that, you can see now we see the forecasting we can see the forecasting item in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. You're gonna see already by default, if I go inside here, I will see points. So points depends on the unit. For example, here the unit is here, and what this mean, and I'm gonna extend all the way. It means 10 years from now. So I'm gonna go back here, go to forecasting. Okay, so you can see it was 2017, the data goes all the way to 2027. So you can leave that as is, or you can choose to, you can do even a forecasting for 1 year. So if you want to do that, for example, you can choose years, and length, if you type 10, that's going to be 10 years. So let's try to do for years, and then we can try to do for month. Let's do for month. I'll let you guys do for years. So this is going to be for month, and I'm just going to predict the next year, how the sales going to be, really. So we selected that. I'm going to scroll down. Down here, okay, forecasting length, month, I'll do over the course of 10 years. So 10 times 12, they're gonna be 12, 120 month. And I can change this to years and just put that years. So wait, 12 times 10, yeah, exactly. Or I can just choose years and select 12, but let's do month. And then we do have seasonality. In a year, we do have about 12 months. Okay, and then here the confidence level. How confident are you? So if you wanna get like 80% or whatever, so let's do 90%. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna hit apply, and you'll see that gonna be the predictive. You can see 2019. These are gonna be the sales 2021 and all that. And that's how we really do forecasting. Now you can choose to change this to, and you can choose to just analyze 1 month if you want. Really, you won't get much, to be honest, because again, you're gonna have to maybe to change this to month to get that effectively. Or else, let's change to year. Maybe if you wanna predict 10 years from now, so I change that to years, and yeah, you're gonna see it's the same thing really. while we did changes unit. And again, by default, gonna be points. And points means your units, any measurements here. So if it's the year, you're gonna be 10 years. If it's month, gonna be 10 months. If it's a day, you're gonna be 10 days. I don't want to take much of your time, but again, to do this, you can use that. And sometimes if you're doing, let's say, years here, you can choose, you can choose to do 12 years and ignore the last 2 years. And if you apply, you can see here the predictive. These cells for 2019, 2017, we didn't have all the cells until the end of the year. The data ran short, but you can see already the revenue was very high here if you were to predict. Okay, so these are the years we're gonna ignore, and we're gonna do forecasting for, in other words, for 12 years. And you can see how good this is, or how effective this is. If you want something so technical to put your parameters in there, you may need to do some kind of programming. Let's save that for next time. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. And today we are speaking about, or we're discussing about, forecasting analysis in Power BI. Peace.